Introducing the KINDEN Smart Boil. With its 3 function settings, you can set to bring the water to a boil and it will automatically turn off when done. The second setting will allow you to bring water to a boil and then hold warm at your desired temperature of 104 degrees, 160 degrees, 175 degrees, or 195 degrees. The third setting will allow you to warm water to the desired temperature of 104 degrees, 160 degrees, 175 degrees, or 195 degrees, and will hold it there without boiling. So let's see this at work in the kitchen.
Hi everybody, it's Roxanne. Welcome to my kitchen. You know, we all lead such busy lives these days, so I, for one, am always looking for ways to make life a little easier and a little faster in the kitchen. So today, I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite new kitchen appliances, the KINDEN Smart Boil Water Kettle. You can see it has a beautiful, sleek design. It's got some stainless steel with a glass carafe. It's got this nice, sleek, modern-looking base. You just go ahead and fill the kettle up to the desired amount. It holds 1.7 liters of water. Just place it right on top there. Just go ahead and turn it on. You see it lights up blue as it's heating up the water. This kettle has lots of fabulous features. It will heat up to 1.7 liters of water in less time than a microwave or stovetop, in less than 5 minutes in fact. It has great features to it, some warming features, 4 different settings for warming, 104 degrees, 160 degrees, 175 degrees, and 190 degrees. So you can have your water temperatures to whatever your desired tastes are, whether you're using it for coffee or for tea like I'm doing today, or if you'd like to even use it for the cup of soups for the kids. It's a great way to do it. The kettle will swivel 360 degrees on its stand. It does have a detachable filter and a stainless steel and this great wide opening for easy cleaning. You can see it lights up when it's working. You can see the water's already starting to boil on it. Another fabulous feature for this is that if somebody comes by and bumps it, it's not going to fall off of its plate very easily. The other great thing about it is you can see the water's about ready to boil. I can touch the outsides of it and I'm not going to burn my hands. So it's great for having little kiddos around. Same thing with the plate. It's not going to get me burned at all on that. So that's fantastic. So once the water boils, I had said that I do have 4 different options for keeping it warm. It will keep it warm up to 6 hours, and as long as there's no use in that 6-hour time frame, it will automatically shut off. Just another safety feature involved in it. So looks like we're about ready to boil here. And again, you can do anywhere from, you know, a half a liter up to 1.7 liters in this, just kind of depending on what you're hoping for. The keep warm buttons will keep it to that temperature and very consistent throughout that time frame of up to 6 hours. This will beep and the light will shut off as soon as it's done. Look at how rapidly that water is boiling. And look at this. I'm perfectly fine touching the sides of this. Now I'm going to go ahead and set this to keep warm. I'm going to keep it at 175 degrees. Just going to take it off the plate. Pour it into my cup here. Down. That'll keep it warm for up to 6 hours for me, so when I'm ready for some more tea. The KINDEN Smart Boil Water Kettle, guys. Thanks for visiting today.